This is the Actuator Speed Calculator for extension time, which calculates how long it takes for a linear actuator to fully extend and retract based on your specific parameters. Let's look at the 3 input fields you need to fill out. First is stroke length, where you enter the total distance your actuator travels. Next is speed rating, where you input your actuator's rated speed. The third field is load percentage, which affects retraction speed. This represents your load as a percentage of maximum capacity, with a default value of 50%. For our example calculation, I'll enter 10 for stroke length, 10 for speed rating, and keep the load percentage at 50%. After clicking Calculate Extension Time, we get 2 results. The time to extend shows 1.00 seconds. This is how long it takes for the actuator to fully extend under no load conditions. The time to retract shows 0.91 seconds. This faster retraction time reflects the 50% load, helping the actuator return to its starting position. This calculator helps you plan cycle times and select the right actuator speed for your application. Find the link in the description below.